What if the first shots of World War II were nothing but a colossal mistake? On September 1st, 1939, a German battleship, Schleswig-Holstein, fired its cannons at the Polish garrison on the Westerplatte, marking what many consider the outbreak of the war. Most people don't know about the minor naval skirmish just hours later, with two Polish pre-dreadnoughts, while already on edge, accidentally shooting at each other in the Bay of Gdańsk. Due to a miscalculation, the ORP Mazur and ORP Griff engaged in a brief and chaotic exchange of fire. Misidentification in the foggy dawn led Polish forces to believe they were under attack by German U-boats. These crucial first moments were followed by immense confusion, where sighting errors briefly plunged allies into discord. Although damage was minimal and injuries few, the incident underscored the chaos of war's early days. This lesser-known episode serves as a stark reminder of the fog of war, where sometimes an enemy is found within one's own ranks.